Okay, so class 9, let's continue. And for my love, I pray you wrong me not. उसने कहा just if you are ready to take my friendship, then it's okay. If not, then I request you, in the name of the friendship, in the name of the friendly feeling that I'm having for you, for their sake, do not misinterpret my intentions for you. Antonio, yes, Shylock, I will seal unto this bond. He said, yes, Shylock, I am ready to sign such a bond. Shylock, then meet me forthwith at notaries. So Shylock directed them. उसने कहा okay. Then meet me at the notary. Notary, I already told you, legal officer. We can call him a lawyer also. Then meet me forthwith at a notary. उसने कहा okay. Then meet me at the notary's office without any delay. Give him direction for this merry bond. Merry means amusing, humorous, and direct him. Give him the direction to draw up this amusing bond. And I will go and purse the ducat straight. I will go and keep the money in my purse. See to my house left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knight. I will go and I will have to look my house also, because I have left my house in the custody of an unsafe and irresponsible. Unthrifty means irresponsible servant. And presently I'll be with you, and then I will join you without the least delay. Antonio, hey thee gentle Jew. Then exit Shylock. Antonio said to Shylock, make haste, kind-hearted Jew. And then Shylock exit. Then Antonio tells Bassanio, the Hebrew will turn Christian, he grows kind. Antonio said to Bassanio, it seems that this Jew is going to be a Christian very soon. Why? Because the kindness, he has grown kind. The kindness he is showing towards us, he is ready to give us the loan without charging interest. The kindness he is showing towards us, it is not the part of the Jewish religion. The kindness is the mark of the Christian religion, and he has become kind. So it seems that he is going to be a Christian. He is going to give up his Jewish religion and going to become a Christian. Bassanio, I like not fair terms and a villain mind. Bassanio said, I do not like attractive conditions laid down by a man who is having a wicked mind. So children, these lines of Antonio, what he is saying, he grows kind. So this shows the ill feelings that was prevailing between the enmity that was prevailing between the Jews and the Christians in the 16th century. Clear? It is the belief of the Elizabethan people, the Christians, that Jews are very cruel. They do not have kindness in them. Okay. So Antonio, come on. In this there is no dismay. So Antonio said, come on. There is nothing in this bond to frighten us. We need not to be sad because of this bond. There is no reason for fear. My ships come home a month before the day, because my ships are bound to return home before the expiry of this bond. Then I am able to pay it. There is no question of the non-repayment of the loan. Why? Because my ships would come back before the expiry of the bond. Fine. So children, we have finished with Act 1, Scene 1, 2 and 3. And if you have any problem in these 3 scenes, you can ask me so that we can start with Act 2. Fine. So revise all these things, and we have done all the question answers of our workbook. Any problem you are having, you can ask it to me. Okay. Thank you.